Yep, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, yeah, bafethu. If awulithandi iqiniso or awuyithandi into engizoyisho, go and open i-case at the nearest police station. Dankon. Bafethu, amadlozi kaLodge, they are strong. I don't care ukuthi nithini or nithini, but I believe idlozi laka-Lodge li-strong. I believe idlozi laka-Lodge li-strong. That's what I believe. Yabo. They said Lodge is finished when Sundowns was signing him. They said Lodge is not a team player. They said Lodge uzonda wonke umuntu ambonayo, uLodge this and that. Only to find out ukuthi yonke lento man. Abomako, they were being paid to say those things. Paseka Mako, they are failing where they are. Lodge is succeeding. Yes. Paseka Mako ngibeka yena example. He's failing decimal lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Hlula nokungena ku-starting lineup ku-Kaizer Chiefs enganama-player. Bheka uLodge. I know ukuthi Orlando Pirates fans nikwatile ninomona phela nina nenhliziyo ezimbi ezimnyama. Hugo Bruce, I know la khona nje he's busy pinching the air. Abo-Helman Kellen, they are busy pinching the air. Yabona idlozi lakho mali strong, it doesn't matter ukuthi abantu bathini. Now uLodge seyohola 1.2 a month. It's the same salary ehola uHugo Bruce. The same salary ehola i-Wait at Casablanca ayizange ikhiphe i-documentary to Lodge unenhliziyo embi. So that means le team lebe uLodge bekayidlalela le Orlando Pirates bengafuni ukuthi uLodge ahambe. The same way they are saying best stuff about uMona Phule Saleng. The same thing they are saying about uMona Phule Saleng. They waited up until ahambe then bakhuluma ngaye kabi. Why ningakhulumi ngaye kabi asadlalela leyo team? Ningamakhawadi. Nina be-Orlando Pirates lapho coward. Nilwa izimpi indirect. Why ningamqondanga straight? Paseka Mako wayengayanga kuLodge amtshele straight ukuthi wena mchita wena uyabhora wosidlisana. Yabona ukuthi bekamanga. Congratulations to Thembi Nkosi Lodge. Idlozi mali strong. Lihlula wonke amadlozi wabantu abadlalela iPirates kwamanje. Akekho umuntu odlalela iPirates kwamanje oyenza ngcono than Thembi Nkosi Lodge. In life nje. Danko.